Good morning, everyone. Chris, Kentucky Woodsman. Today, I'm going to finish up my Bushcraft knife. I've went ahead and I've done the sanding. Got everything nice and smooth. I got it to the texture I wanted at. Now, I debated on whether I was going to just clear coat this or stain it and clear coat it. And I think I've decided to go with the stain and the clear coating. I've got a test piece here. You can see the stain really made the grain pop out. You can see the tiger stripes. So I'm going to go ahead and stain this in this video, and I'm going to clear coat it, and then I'm going to officially call this project complete. Stay tuned. Now, the stain I've decided to use is Early American. It's a Minwax product, just a standard wood finish. And then I will, once the stain has had time to dry after I apply it, I will put on a coat of polyurethane, maybe a couple of coats, to try to get a really high luster shine on the scales. So let's get to it. Now, to be honest, all I'm going to use to apply the stain is a paper towel. Just going to dab it on. Make sure I get it on the front ends of the scales. Get it in my finger choil. Make sure I got good coverage all the way around. I don't know if you can see that or not, but man, look how that grain comes out now. Give it one more good coat. Wipe the excess off. Sure get a little bit more on this open grain on the end. Okay, now we just let it dry, and I'll apply the clear coat shortly. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. The stain has had time to dry. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that really looks nice. Now we're getting ready to put the clear polyurethane on, and then I will take the tape off the blade and let you see the whole knife in its completion. Okay, just like I did with the stain, I'll put a little bit of this polyurethane, dip part of this paper towel into it, and just rub it on. Give it a good liberal coat. sure I get it over all of it. I don't know if you can see the shine to it, but that turned out really nice. I'll just let it dry, and I may end up putting one more coat on it before we unwrap the blade. But you can see how nice that looks. I'm really pleased. It's the first time I've ever worked with curly maple wood, and I'm just really super impressed with it. Okay folks, here's the finished knife. It's got 2 coats of polyurethane on the scales. You see it turned out pretty nice as far as the handle goes. I'm real pleased. You can see the blade, but that is the finished product. At some point I will craft me up a leather sheath for this, and I may or may not put a video up about that, but it won't be anytime soon. Folks, I appreciate you watching this whole series. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks again. Have a good day.